The next presentation or the demo is from Duck Creek. The title of the presentation is End-to-End Insurtech, built compatible for the Indian general insurance market and an AI future. The presenters are Erickson. He's the Managing Director APAC at Duck Creek Technologies, bringing 25 years of experience in enterprise software and professional services across general insurance, reinsurance, broking, and global regions. Johan Nelis serves as Senior Director of International Solutions Consulting at Duck Creek Technologies, working closely with insurers to identify and realize business benefits through their solution suite. Calling Chris and Johan to take over.
Okay. Morning, everyone. My name's Chris Erickson. I'm the Managing Director for Duck Creek in the Asia Pacific region. And it's an absolute pleasure to be here today with you all at this fantastic event where we're absolutely proud to be sponsors of IIA. I'm just going to spend a few minutes talking a bit about Duck Creek and why we're here in this market in India. And then I'm going to hand over to my colleague Johan, who's going to go into the product in a little bit more detail. So Duck Creek has come into the Indian market in the last few years in a very deliberate way. We're here because this market represents a significant opportunity in the general insurance space. And we are working really closely with a number of key customers in the Indian market. We believe that the Indian market suffers from a lot of legacy technology. And there's challenges for insurance with total cost of ownership being very high, challenges with speed to market, introducing new products, improving customer experience, being agile in this market. So Insurtechs and modern insurance platforms that are truly SaaS, evergreen, present an incredible opportunity for insurers in this market to really drive significant value. So who is Duck Creek? Just very quickly, we are a global SaaS platform, a core insurance platform. We were born in the US 25 years ago. We actually were founded as part of Accenture many, many years ago when we developed out our claims platform. We now have a comprehensive suite of products in both core insurance and then specialty products surrounding our core insurance products. We came into the Indian market a few years ago and we've been actively working with clients in this market, and I will present a very quick case study with HDFC Ergo in a moment. But what stands out about our platform, apart from the fact that it is a SaaS platform that is very rich in functionality, is it's a modular-based platform. And it is a platform with a low-code, no-code, easy configuration. And also what we have done, and we're the first in the market to do it, is we've moved our platform from a technology perspective to be evergreen with what we call active delivery. Active delivery means there is no need for any upgrades ever. And it's a huge, huge proposition for our clients in the market. So we're very excited to be in the Indian market, and we're heavily investing in this market. We've delivered lines of business kits along health, general and commercial insurance, and we're continuing to invest in the market. Just a very quick diagrammatic representation of our products. Like I said, on the left-hand side, you'll see our core products being policy, claims, and billing. And around the periphery is obviously the end-to-end insurance value chain in P&C. And then on the right-hand side, this is essentially what we call our specialty products. These are complementary products that deliver value for our clients as part of the insurance value chain in very specific areas, whether it's distribution management, loss control, reinsurance, payment, and others. It would be very remiss of me not to quickly talk about AI. Obviously, AI is a huge theme for today's event. And this is a very colourful slide. And you'll notice as a company called Duck Creek, we're very big when it comes to ducks, and all duck-isms, we call them. Now, this may look quite entertaining, but I will tell you, this is the reality. Our strategy around AI is around agentic AI. And we are actively building out many agents for our customers to be able to consume on our platform. And you'll notice there's at least 50 agents here. We've got about 200 that we've identified. We have a roadmap to expand out and deliver these agents over time, including orchestration agents to fit over the top of multiple agents to deliver an end-to-end process. The other thing I would say about our AI strategy that's really critical is we're very keen on human in the loop. Human in the loop is critical in the insurance industry, so we have to make sure that AI doesn't make all decisions without some form of human intervention in certain parts. If I sort of make this a little bit more real in terms of insurance terminology, we are working with our clients across the insurance value chain, and we are building out active use cases for AI and multiple agents to essentially drive value for our clients. Now, our platform is built on Azure, so we have a very deep relationship with Microsoft, and we have a data foundations platform called Clarity, which is built on Snowflake. So again, we have very deep relationships with two of the largest, most influential tech companies in the world. So we work with them on our AI strategy very actively. Just very quickly, I want to touch on a case study, HDFC Ergo. I know everyone in this market knows HDFC Ergo, and we're very proud to partner with HDFC. So HDFC, like many insurers in this market, has suffered from legacy technology. And so that has really constrained them in terms of being able to bring new products to market at speed and enhance customer experience and be agile in the market. So they made a bold decision to move to a SaaS provider in the insurance space as part of their overall digital transformation. And that is not an easy decision to make. And they moved to a special Insurtech, Duck Creek Technologies, who was investing in this market, and they had faith by working with us, insurance specialists and technologists, that we could work with them to deliver value for their organisation. So we worked with their leadership team over the last couple of years, and we've actually had an enormous amount of success in this market. We've been able to deliver new products onto the Duck Creek platform in a matter of months. Our commercial fire product was launched last year, and we launched that in 9 months. We launched the health policy product in a matter of, I think, 6 months as well. So we're working really closely with Anuj, Shuram, and the whole leadership team, Partha, etc. And it's a really healthy and dynamic relationship, and we're super proud of working with HDFC. In terms of business benefits that we've been driving, there's been a number, but I'll call out a couple of things that have been really telling. First of all, we've been able to prove that they can develop new products and bring new products to market in a matter of weeks, not months. So we've seen a 75% improvement in delivery of new products to market. And at the moment, they're delivering products to market in around 3 to 4 weeks. And they've set us the challenge to bring new products to market in 1 week. So it's pretty exciting and very bold. We've also, with our platform, one of the things that's been fantastic for HDFC is they've been able to introduce products to their customers that provide an opportunity for true personalization. So pick and choose of different product features. And I was actually in Hyderabad just yesterday, and I was talking to a client over there, and they were talking about how they went online and they purchased the HDFC product, motor vehicle product, and how that they saw they were able to pick different aspects of the product, cover different parts of the solution, and they were very impressed, and they said it's a market-leading product. So it's really exciting to hear firsthand from the market what we're doing. Last of all, I think the other thing is customer experience. We've been able to provide data access for customers in real time, and so the customer experience has been absolutely drastically improved for HDFC customers. They're able to see their policy data in real time, they're able to self-serve online, and it's been a huge advantage for them. So we're really excited about what we're doing in the market. HDFC is the first of many clients that we are working, hoping to work with in the market. We're very privileged to be part of this ecosystem. We work very closely with a number of our partners too, and it would be remiss of me not to mention that we work with a number of SIs and solution partners in the market Exceedance, Cognizant, Hexaware, and others are all significant partners of ours. So look, thank you for your time today. I'm going to hand it over to my colleague, Johan, who's going to do a little bit more of a deep dive into our product. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris. I must say I'm really excited and privileged to be here and to share a little bit more of our solution to you as well. This is something what we are showing about the art of possible. We normally can talk for this for hours, but I see I only got 10 minutes here, so I certainly hope you come to our booth and see a little bit more. So what Chris very clearly said is, our solution is a descriptive solution. It allows you to decide how you want to run things, and it's done on basis of personas. In insurance, there are many different personas, and each persona has a specific need on what they want. Our solution is the most flexible one who can actually show that. So the first one is, we are very customer-centric. So our solution allows you to be very innovative and creative on how you will actually be able to share, provide quotes to your customers. You can have multiple options available. You can make it as quick as you like, as intuitive as possible as well. It's fully responsive as well, which really allows you to actually make the quotes available and online. You have the different options available as well, and our team can actually show how easy you can actually modify that as well. Because perhaps you might want to show more than 3 options. Perhaps you want to show 5, 10, or 20 options. You typically find that our solution is not a limiting factor if you want to come up with new innovative ways on dealing with your customers. We also have a full digital experience where you really allow also for digital support as well. And it's fully integrated from quote, policy, and billing and claims as well. So you can see how easy that is. The second one is, we also want to make sure that customers who have signed up with insurers can continue their digital journey. I've come many times to India, and I'm always very impressed how digital as an organization, as a country you are, where it allows your customer to have everything digital. It allows them to actually see their policy, they can pay online, they can even do claims lodgement online. What's even more important is, our solution also allows you, if you choose to do so, it's much easier with our solution to cross and upsell as well. If somebody already has a motor insurance and you want to give them also a fire protection or home insurance, they don't have to fill in all the details again. You just only specify what is needed, and that is required to actually complete the quote. So all the information is there. The other one is also we do understand that the Indian market uses a lot of agents and brokers, and of course our solution also caters for that as well. We make sure that your agents and brokers are in full control and they have the same kind of digital experience as well. They can actually look after their quotes, their renewal letters, they can support claims as well. And what is more important, what we see as a global trend, brokers play a more important role when you actually roll things out. And our solution allows you to have different kind of engagements with different brokers for different segments, different geographies, or different products. And it is very intuitive, and you can really engage with your customers and your brokers as well. And if you want to have a special event, whether it's IPL or anything else in the region, you can tailor those kind of messages as well. Now the other thing is, for us it's all about, we are very passionate about insurance and we're very passionate about technology. So we continuously work together with our prospects, but also our existing customers. How can you actually do more things? How can you make it more easier for your customers, for your staff? But also in this case, how can you bundle products more smartly? If people have already signed up for items, how can quite easily, by just clicking a few items, you can actually add cyber insurance or anything else as well. And then all the underwriting, pricing, commission, it automatically gets calculated in real time. And it's interesting to see that when you come to our booth, you will see it. Some of our most passionate staff members are actually former client of ours who are so passionate about our product that they joined us and really work with our clients to actually expand their footprint. The other one is also our solution is very sophisticated when it comes to product pricing and underwriting. And we do underwrite from an underwriting perspective that you want to look at multiple angles. So in this case, it's Chris as an underwriter. He wants to actually explore for a group health, how can I actually best underwrite this kind of proposition? And our solution is not limited to one way of calculation or underwriting. You can actually, on a hit ratio, you can actually analyze multiple items. We kept it simple here with 2 scenarios, but we even have clients who perform 7 or 25 different calculations or logical items side by side, just to make sure that you get the best outcome. And you can even work together with your agents, brokers, and customers to actually give them the best proposition. And what you can see, everything what you see on the screen here can be configured according to your specific need. The exciting bit of all the things what you see here as well is your own staff can actually do this configuration. And that's the very powerful item of the Creek. We want you to be in control of your core platforms so that you can make the changes. Now the other item is, of course, we're also looking at how you can make the journey as easy as possible. So this is something what we do on claims, where we actually work with one of our partners, Chemcom, how you can actually leverage AI and technology to make things as easy as possible in case of a traffic accident, where you not just only lodge the claim, but your car gets taken care of, as well as there is Uber as well to make sure that the person can still come at the destiny where he has to go. So extremely powerful and really thinking from an end-to-end point of view. Now the other one is also our claims lodgement is full on as well, where we have all the different claims elements as well, where you decide on how you want to execute your claim settlement, but all the core information is available in a centralized way. There's a full audit trail as well, including delegation of authority, that people can only do the things they're allowed to do and cannot do the things they're not allowed to do. We also have our reinsurance solution as well, which has been proven very popular in the APAC region. So we also look after your reinsurance needs as well, and we will make sure that the revenue and claim leakage can be minimized. And the other one is, Chris already mentioned, we have also very powerful insights as well, which really allows you to actually leverage the data you have and make the right decision, either through people or leveraging AI. The other one is on the pricing side, and we don't have enough time now to go through all the different options, but we continuously push the boundary on what is possible on the pricing point. In Australia, one of the things we have actually done, rather than entering all the data up front, we just ask a person, how much do you want to pay for insurance? And we reverse engineer the kind of coverages there. An example of our solution is not a limiting factor if you talk about product pricing and underwriting. So quite happy to actually explain that as well. We also actually provide tools as well where, and I'm not sure how it is in India, but in Australia people complain a lot about the premium. You can actually show what can a customer do to reduce their own premium by reducing risk. And we can actually specify that to the cent accurate. The other one where we're really proud of is on the product management side. And we see an insurance product actually as similar to actually how you can componentize it, similar to a car. Where you can actually, an insurance product should not be that difficult to create a new one, because a lot of insurance products are very similar. It's only you tweak certain things, you change some of the pricing. We will show you how we can create new products in a matter of minutes, where you just tweak things what is different and you keep everything what is common. And another one as well, which you see on the right top end, is where Access as a company was actually able to introduce 4 or 5 times more new products for the same budget with our solution. And we're quite happy to explore and explain that to you as well. And of course, what you have seen is also HDFC actually won last year our global award for product innovation. Now the other one is also configuration, we believe that configuration should be understood by the business and that the business themselves can do it as well. Because a core platform is really at the heart of your organization, so it's important that people understand it and can make changes as well. And what Chris already mentioned is everything what we do, the core logic is separated from your specifications, so it allows us to have fortnightly updates rather than challenging upgrades. Also from an operation point of view, we are very powerful where we have all this seamless fortnightly updates, and also security-wise leveraging everything from the Microsoft stack as well. Now the other item what we see as well is, and that's what I mentioned before, is when you talk about brokers, we find more and more that insurance companies have different business models. So when we talk about flexibility, it's not just about product pricing, underwriting, screens, but also about how you operate your business. We can actually explain to you how our solution allows you maximum freedom as well. And then the final thing, similar to what Chris already mentioned, we're very, very passionate about AI, and including our CEO as well. It's all about how can we help you to run your business better, faster, and more profitable. There are too many scenarios with only a few seconds left, but we're quite happy at the booth at the back to actually explain the various AI assets we have and how we can provide value to you. Thank you.